Travel, leisure, and adventure is here. Welcome to the Trail of Life channel. Be inspired to discover new horizons. Already subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next videos.
Today we decided to go and see a waterfall near the city of Uberlândia. In the morning, as I bought what I would need for the camp, we filmed a little of the city in another part of the city. We met some people who usually camp. They talked about this place where they were going to camp and invited us to check it out. We then set off to discover this incredible place. With a camping area, lots of wildlife, and waterfalls. The road with new asphalt and a scenery full of nature and life. Once there was a surprising place. The fresh air of nature, beautiful, organized and clean chalets. Beautiful trails lead to fantastic places, forests with lakes and waterfalls. Having this moment in nature is really good, around people with the same vibe. We had lunch at the camp and discovered more trails and breathtaking places. At night we gathered around the campfire, telling stories and singing. It was all very good. At night, the starry sky looked like a huge carpet of stars. Dawn in nature is something fascinating, an incomparable vision, a true masterpiece. In the morning I spent walking and admiring this incredible place. I went to enjoy a little more diving in the waterfall. We had lunch at the chalet. After lunch we returned to Uberlândia, missing this incredible place.
Thank you so much for joining us on this incredible journey today. We really appreciate the time you took to watch, participate, and be part of our Trolha de Vida experience. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit the like button, and share it with your friends and family. Your support means a lot to us and helps our channel grow. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any of our exciting content. We'll be back soon with more adventures and life-enriching content. Until then, remember to live each day with passion and purpose. Bye.